Uh-oh, my drone's stuck in a tree. Gotta get my friends to help me get it down. Okay, so drone retrieval.
Oh, didn't let out enough.
Oh, next time tell me when you're gonna fire.
Sorry.
Okay,
It's like
so
I'm fishing. Look at
Daniel here. Oh, it just
it
came
fell off of it.
Oh my god.
It was through the little thing too.
We're up in the tree. I'm in Daniel's crotch. But Daniel here, expert shot right through it, and it's in that tree right there, right next to us.
Oh.
There you go. Oh man. Oh.
Good job, Daniel.
Oh, there it is.
One piece.
Mission accomplished.
Ow.